Welcome to MAXSafes. Today we'll guide you through setting up your MAXSafes 2-in-1 dehumidifier with LED light. Check the moisture level at a glance. When the beads turn white, it's time to recharge. Plug in the included 7-foot UL certified power cord. No replacements needed. The LED light is powered by 4 AAA batteries, easy to install and replace. Turn the unit around and choose your preferred light mode. On, the light stays on continuously. Auto, it turns on with motion, but only in the dark. Off, it stays off at all times. Use the included magnetic plate for quick, cable-free mounting on any metal surface. The built-in motion sensor activates a soft LED light for easy access, even in dark storage spaces. You can also use the included drilling template for secure installation in a cabinet or closet. Thank you for choosing MAXSafes. If you need help or support, please visit maxsafes.com.